In this demo, let's explore Quipli's accounting and collectibles tools, built to help you manage your business finances with ease. At the top of the collectibles view, you'll see a quick financial snapshot of past due balances, total payable invoices, and payments received. Each invoice displays a clear status, like payable, paid, past due, draft, or void, with color-coded labels. You can track due dates, tax amounts, payment history, and see the current balance in real time. If an invoice is outstanding, simply click Pay to process a payment right away. For recurring rentals, you can enable automatic payments, charging the customer's card on file by the due date. Invoices can also be resent automatically by email or SMS to help you follow up on past due accounts. You can do this by clicking the three dots on the right and sending a payment notification. Quipli's advanced filters let you quickly find invoices by date range, days past due, customer, location, or status, so you can prioritize collections and stay organized. You can also export data for reporting or compliance needs. Quipli integrates directly with QuickBooks Online to sync your invoices and payments automatically. In QuickBooks, every synced invoice includes customer details, line items, taxes, and payment history. You can even map items to specific income accounts, giving you clean general ledger data and accurate financial reporting with zero double work. Quipli gives you a complete view of your receivables, helping you get paid faster and keep your books in order.